Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of Livegood. And if you haven't heard about this company, I'm not surprised because it has just launched about 3 weeks ago. This is the third week of This is the second week of January, and it has launched just around Christmas time. So it's about 3 weeks old now. It is a supplement company that is changing the way that people buy supplements, and also a business opportunity for people who are in the make money online niche. And it also has a matrix. We will go over that in a minute. It is not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few cons to this program, and I'll be going over those also. So if you're watching this video in the first half of 2023, you're in luck. If you're watching in the second half of 2023, not so lucky. So let's get over here to the Livegood page. This is the website that they give you when you join. I have joined just 2 days ago myself after doing some extensive research. And this is the website that everybody gets here. It has the Livegood logo, of course, and a short video about the company. So let's go over the pro number one. And the pro number one is that it has quality products at a very inexpensive cost. So let's come over here to the home page. This is actually the affiliate compensation plan, which we'll go over in a minute. But let's come over here to the product page. We can take a look at some of the vitamins here that are super affordable. Look at this, D3 plus K2 at $8.50 for a member price. It costs $10 a month to become a member and $49 to join up. So $50 to join up. But you can buy these for just retail price for $17.50, which is still a good price. Because look at the K2. The D3 has 5 mcg. That's 2,000 IUs, which is a fantastic amount. So you want to take between 1,000 and 10,000. Never take over 10,000 D3s a day. But 2,000 is a perfect amount of D3. And it also has K2, which is 90 mcg, which is fantastic. K2 helps regulate where the calcium goes. So if you're taking calcium, D3 also helps absorption of calcium. It tells the calcium where to go. It also, reportedly, I use it for removing calcium from my heart. So I do have some calcium deposits in my heart that I had scanned. But look at this, $8.50. We're going over the price. So I'm getting off track here a little bit. So the price is what we're concerned here. $8.50 for a 1 month supply of this. Unheard of. Unheard of. And then you have your multivitamins. Let's see, a multi for men. And then you come down here and you can compare to the competitors. And look at some of these other ones, $47, $30. And this one you can get for $10. It's just unbelievable. So the prices are great. So that is pro number one. Pro number two is the company has just launched. So the company, like I said, is only 3 weeks old at this point. If you're getting in as an affiliate and want to promote this product, it is a fantastic opportunity because you're in at the top. Let's go over to the matrix here and we'll take a look at the compensation plan. So if you're getting in very early, you're at the top of the matrix. And this matrix will all fill up with other people's affiliates also. So it's just not your efforts that create income for yourself, it's the other people in your matrix. If you join under in my team, then they come from me and all my affiliates also, and then they fill up this whole matrix. Now, one of the cons is that they will tell you that you can make $2,000 without doing anything. So you just join in, and then all this spillover will generate you $2,000. That is not technically accurate, in my opinion. So you do have to do a little bit of promotion on this, follow the system. I have my own system and I have my own tools that I give my team that I'll go over in a little bit. But you do need to promote it. You can't just join and do nothing. You will make some spillover here and there, but I don't think it's gonna be life-changing. But that being said, if you get 2 people in here, you get 50% of the sign-up bonus, which is $50 like I mentioned earlier, and that's $25 each time. And then it comes down here to level 2, you get 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and then level 3, 5%. If you're silver, you get 5% of that level, and then you get 5%. it just adds up tremendously. But like I said, you do have to do some work for that. So that's pro number 2. That is the compensation plan and that you're getting in early. Pro number 3, it's only $10 a month. So it's only $10 a month to join and you have the potential to make $2,000 a month. So it's a fantastic affiliate compensation plan and it's early. That's the number one thing. If you get in early, you're at the top of the matrix. You get all the spillover. It's like getting into Amazon when it first launched, the first month that it launched. One of the cons is if you don't get in early, if you're watching this in the second half of 2023, it's probably too late. So I've already covered the 2 cons. The 2 cons that I found is that if you don't get in early, you've missed the boat. Luckily, if you're watching this in January, February, March, you are early still. You're still early. The other con is that if you think you're going to get in and do no work at all and make the $2,000 a month, it's not going to happen, in my opinion. So that's my opinion on that. Now, what I like to do is give my teammates promotional tools. And how I promote this is mainly in Leadsleap, of course, and I'm making YouTube videos, of course. TikTok would be another fantastic way to promote this, but I use Leadsleap, and if you have a Leadsleap account, you can automatically, if you have the paid account, you can just take the share code, which I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you the share code for this site right here, and this is another landing page that you can just punch in. See my picture right here. All you have to do is come in and change the picture out, and here's a video. You can start watching the video, and that video, this is all embedded into the share code. All you have to do is come in here and change a few of your links. Join under your sponsor. Here you go. You change this link right here. You can leave the Telegram group alone, or you can get rid of this altogether. And if you know how to use Leadsleap, which I showed you in another video, it's very easy to do. And then you change this link to your link, and it goes over to the page that I was showing you before, which is right here. This page right here. It'll jump over to this page. You can also create ads in Leadsleap. So if you have a paid membership, you can go up to 10 ads. Right now, I deleted all my other ads, and I'm only focused on this. I have 2 ads right now. I'm going to put all 10 ads leading towards this offer. Right now, if you click on this, we make it easy. It comes over to my landing page here, and then they can watch this and join up. So I'm going to have 5 that come over here to this landing page, and I'm going to have 5 that lead over to this landing page here. This landing page is converting quite well, but the other landing page, you can actually put in other things if you want. So you can also join the Telegram group. You can join, get the share code, join Leadsleap right here, so you can promote Leadsleap and you can promote Livegood also. And if you've been watching any of my other videos, you can use all those free techniques that I mentioned, and this is a great program to promote on all those free platforms. If you join, the company gives you this website. There's a few other websites that they give you, a product website and a corporate website. I like to promote this one. This one's converting very well right now. You can reserve a position for free, and every Thursday the matrix updates, and it'll show you how many people are in your matrix. So let's go back over here and take a look at the website that the company gives you if you sign up. See, it has my name up here. That'll be changed to your name, and the same exact website. So it has the video in here, it has the sign up, and it also has take the free tour. Small website, landing page, very effective, and you can use all the free techniques that I've taught in other videos on this. I'm also going to make a few more videos on promoting this and using the tools that I provide to my team. So if you do want that landing page that I showed you earlier, if you want this landing page, then just say I want it down below and I will give you the share code. If you're on my mailing list already, you've already got this. I sent it to you yesterday, the share code for this and the email, which I forgot to mention. So there's an email sequence that comes with it, and that's this email sequence here, and it comes pre-populated. With the new Leadsleap, all these pages come pre-populated. It'll have a few questions that ask you for your link and your name, and it'll pre-populate all that into your landing pages and your email. See, these email sequences already have my name in it, my link and everything. It goes out, and if you click on this blue highlighted link and click on the link, it shows you my link right here. That's my landing page that they provided. You can change that to the other landing page or any landing page you want. It's very easy. If you want to change this page, it's very easy to do in Leadsleap. All you do is open up an editor and then you change out the links. So overall, I think the company is good. I think the opportunity is fantastic if you get in early. If you join a little bit later, it's going to be tougher to fill up the matrix because everybody's already going to be there. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you in the next one.